Hi guys, today we're gonna talk about how to make this material into a mirror. Okay, so we have to upload the material. Just come to here and business center, come to product category. At first you need to go to texture, then you need to create a new category called mirror. Okay, so the computer will know this one is a mirror category, and come to my, click on texture, publish. Okay, after you publish, you just type the name MIRR media 2, then TX Exim brand, then simply style. Okay, important is material property. Here you need to choose this one, silver mirror. Select a silver color lah. Then texture here, just upload mirror. Okay, just a photo only. Okay, white photo, then select the category. If not generate, submit. Okay, computer will auto generate already. So come to here, click on the board, click on selection, click on mine, then you will see mirror. Just select it. Okay, after that you can try to brand it. Okay, try to brand it mirror. Okay, set everything. I just set this one flash HD. Okay, take an angle, some lighting, confirm. Okay, let's see the picture. You can see this is a mirror. Okay, thanks for watching.